Oh, that's a different one.
Yeah, it's the flight.
I still ain't seen it. However long I think I've been I still haven't seen it for some reason.
I ain't gonna lie, that kind of scared me. I'm gonna need me a med kit. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Let me get that.
My name is Pennywise, the dancing clown.
Bro, just.
I gotta turn off the lights. Hold up. Alright.
Is she gonna get copyrighted for that? Cause I hope not.
I mean,
I hope not.
it's a voice impression. What the?
I was about to say,
Oh, wait, never mind.
yeah, I don't think you can get copyrighted for that.
Never
Oh,
mind.
voice impression.
Dang, somebody already getting bodied? Dang, you just got
Mayonnaise.
Oh,
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is an instrument either.
SpongeBob.
Yes, Patrick.
All these squares make a circle.
that look like the trapper. That look like the trapper.
Yeah, it looks like the trapper.
I ain't gonna lie, you ain't wrong.
That's definitely the trapper. He can't play trapper.
Gotta be.
Only got that
He
shit.
said a
Gotta be. Why that motherfucker close?
trapping. Trapper is trapping.
He's towards mid. He's at mid right now. Whoever's at mid, be careful.
Yeah, I see.
Folks,
No,
you
come
killed
towards
me,
me,
folks.
folks. Come towards me,
killed
folks.
me,
I'm
folks.
doing this damn jam.
You killed me, folks. That shit scared me, folks. I'm too high for this, folks. I'm too high. I'm too high. That shit scared me, folks. Oh my god. Folks. Oh my god. That shit
Okay, I'm gonna go
scared
get
me.
Floyd. I'm gonna go get Floyd.
Yo, my ass gonna go.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh jeez.
How the f did he hit me?
Hey, I want y'all to know we some dead folks.
Yeah, no, we are. Ain't even about to lie.
Finish that gym. Finish that gym. Hey, heal him
Come
and
on,
finish
finish
that
that
gym.
gym.
The gym is almost done.
Yeah. Here's hoping you ain't got nurses calling. Alright.
Fuck.
Loud, let's go.
The
He may or may not. He coming back. He coming back. F the gym. He coming back. Whoever's over there, he over there for.
I see him.
I'm gonna be careful.
On some high shit.
I got this hook going through my neck like I'm the Flying Dutchman.
I am the Flying Dutchman.
Eugene Krabs! Your time!
Oh, don't do that for you scared me, dog.
What the fuck? Ah, I scared you, man.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
I'm actually paranoid right now. Cause the fucking trapper scared me, dog.
Oh, I did not see it. Let me bring it away from now. Let me bring it away from now.
Bro, I was healing him up, bro. I almost, he on some bullshit right now.
I ain't gonna lie. I messed up. I ain't gonna lie. I got some cheeks though. I got some.
I'm gonna get you though. I'm gonna get you though. Don't worry, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I just need to play mine. Okay. Oh, you at the same hook? I'm gonna come get you. Thank you for getting that generator. I need to. I'm trying to sneak my way around this one.
He went back to where the exit gate is at.
Camera.
Like he was gonna go for you, but then he turned around and said, "Nah, I'm about to."
I'm risking my life for you, my nigga. God!
Nope,
Why
I'm
somebody
dipping.
else have to come
Nope.
get her? Why somebody else have to come get her? I had a purpose in getting hit. Son of a bitch. Now I'm about to get hooked. Floyd, was that you that got her? Floyd, was that you that got her?
Yeah, it was Floyd.
You son of a bitch. I'ma die. I'ma die. I don't even got
No,
one
you're
more
not.
hit. I'm
No, you're
dead.
not. No, you're not. I got you. I got you. Hold on, I got you.
I'm just letting you know I can't be seen for the rest of this fucking game.
God dang it, Floyd.
You better follow me. I gotta make it.
I got one too, bro.
I bet.
We're just gonna have to stick together for this entire game.
Why your character look pregnant? You good? What the fuck? Oh, he on his way. His way.
Where?
In front of us. In front of us. Bro. This nigga is not. We not winning this shit.
I'm dying trying.
Fuck.
I'm dying trying.
But I'm gonna take aggro. Hold up. I'm gonna take aggro.
Oh, he's coming. He's looking for you. He's looking for you. He's looking for you, bro.
Bro, I hate this.
Golly, he made you do a backflip.
I ain't do no backflip. What the f?
You did a backflip on my screen.
I did not do no backflip.
Rotation, replay that.
It's like a dog.
Come on.
It's funny as
It's
hell.
right there. It's right there.
He says some. Bro, it's like a dog, bro.
That way.
Boy,
No,
it don't
that's
take
Burp.
that much, bro. It don't take that much,
Yeah, apparently it does to him.
Shit, when you have,
bro.
well, that
Whoa,
motherfucker, it take years.
Gunslinger, dude.
I
Gunslinger.
saw him.
Gunslinger.
What
Gun?
do with the gun?
Yeah,
Gun!
This nigga gotta be like,
I can confirm he has a gun.
this nigga got a gun. Oh, dude. The fuck?
Help me! Help me! Help me! You tried! I'll give you that much, you tried!
Why you have to f up the damn generator?
I'm half full. When she screamed, it got me, bro. When her character screamed, it got me.
The OG was coming towards you.
But why you chasing me?
Bro, he about to hit you with a scorpion. Get over here.
It's two people. It was just two people over here though, folks. He stopped chasing the other person.
That's because I did.
Folks, still trying to chase me.
Girl's hurt.
Where the f did you go so I can heal you?
Oh, that was you that got me?
Yes.
Bro, I dipped. You know how I be. I
Yeah,
dipped.
but damn, you ain't even give me a chance
That's that
to
black
heal your
instinct,
shit.
man.
She ain't even give me a chance to heal her shit.
Let's go. I found the hex. Where I'm
Get
about
it.
to break the hex, that's where I'm at, bro.
Break the hex. I don't know where the f the heck's that? Look, break it.
Oh, this just shot his gun at me, dog, and I don't even know what it's at. Hey, you missed. I'm gonna move my hand. Okay, there you go. Whoever broke that totem, I'm coming. Ooh, Lord. Go, bitch. Go, bitch. You go, bitch. Bitch ass. Go, bitch ass.
Oh. Oh, he left me alone.
Lord.
He left me alone.
Bro, why are you doing that, bro?
Soon. I did not know he could get me through there. I kind of find that BS, but you know, whatever. Dump it.
I got a bird. I got a bird.
Thank you, Fang. Appreciate you. Looking like a teacher.
Who bars?
I'm getting generators at least half down. Oh, you need heals. Come on.
Move.
Oh, son of a bitch. Why?
Oh, no.
No.
What? Gang. What are you doing? Why are you doing this to me?
Why?
What?
Does he have I think he got barbecue and chili. Alright, baby.
Boy, you can't more me yet, boy. Chill out.
He kicked the gen over here, you fat piece of.
You ain't even fat, bro.
I don't give a f. He fat today.
Yeah.
I'm on a car.
That's what I'm saying.
When they add this, right?
This came with the update with the new killer and all that.
Oh, where you at? Come here, bitch.
I got stuck!
You didn't see me.
I know, son of a bitch.
Rich!
Leave me alone. I'm gonna go redeem myself and get food. I've been f***ing generators all day.
Oh god. I'm high. I can't do this.
Tasia, he's coming back towards that generator. I
can't do this. I can't do this. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna stop. Oh god.
He ain't doing shit.
Oh, two of them.
Let me heal you, bro. Let me give you them back roads, bro. You look like you need it, bro. Your character got all of them, bro.
Are you
pissed off? Oh, he got the random.
Yeah, random's down.
Trying to figure out how he ain't found that hold. Was that the random's first
my
hook?
charger in my purse.
I think that's the random's first
Yeah,
hook.
it's his first hook.
I'm gonna go. I ain't been hooked yet, so. Stop struggling, you. Oh shit. Let me chill. I don't know how twitchy is about that. I ain't mean it. But he is stupid. Bro, why are you struggling? Stop struggling. Oh, bro.
I'm convinced that he'll sell out.
He gotta be. Well, how did he know where the f I was? Killing me right where I was, exactly where I was after I killed him. I came to get this dude, bro.
I'm convinced that he'll sell out.
Yeah.
Right after I came to get this dude, bro, he knew exactly where I was. How? He was not in the area, fool. And he ain't even try to take aggro, bro. Is he gonna try and board me though? Nah, I ain't even been hooked yet. What the
No,
hell
you
is he
haven't
doing?
been hooked.
I know.
Oh man,
I
drill
know.
back.
I'm trying to figure out why he just dropped me though. He just dropped me after one of y'all. Yeah, he is selling. He gotta be. There's no way.
He dancing with the killer right now.
He is selling.
Bro, this dude is
My question is why he on the hook? He ain't gonna hook the random again. That's his last hook. He ain't gonna hook.
yeah, he just.
Why you going after me, bro? Why you going after me, bro? Why you going after me, bro? Why is you going after me, bro? I've been evading your ass this whole time. You Lucky Charms looking mother, bro.
Oh,
F that. He look like an old ass Captain Crunch mixed in with the Flying Dutchman.
Bro, he's trolling me, bro.
Who, the random?
Yes,
Bro, what? Hold up.
He just tried to cut me
Bro,
off, bro.
bro,
He tried
what?
to
Did they
me.
add an extra hook? Why ain't struck? It's my second
Bro.
hook.
Alright. Okay.
And then this random wanna get me off the hook and hit me
okay.
down, nigga. You a sucker. You know you a bitch.
Bullshit.
Come on, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro, come on, bro.
Bullshit. I'm dead on hook, by the way.
Hold up, I'm gonna try and come get you. Try and get you before you get on the hook.
Meg is extra loud, bro.
My bad.
I couldn't go. I feel like he was gonna check the lock on me, bro. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
because Meg loud self is so loud he could hear that.
Talk about him. Where the hell is the random at? Let's see where y'all at. I ain't even try and find a hatch.
I gotta finish one more gen, bro.
Bro, none of the gens are done. I don't even know where the randoms at. I want to get one of the gens.
The random is like one of the edges of the map, just running. They're on the generator right now.
I'm at mid trying to look for this goddamn. The random is chasing the killer and shit. Oh, I see it, guys. What is he doing? Bro, I see the killer right now. What is he doing?
He's trying to shoot at him, but he failed.
Bro, it looked like he's trying to fake it. I ain't gonna lie. He was staring at a tree for a good 5 seconds.
Yeah, I was about to say, yeah, they were staring at each other for like a good couple seconds.
Bro, I'm gonna do
Some on what?
check it, big dog.
He said you ain't hiding before you lying.
I'm not sharing, folks.
Ah, that's crazy. I found
I'm
a
hot,
hatch.
folks.
Nice.
The problem is I need a key.
No, you don't. He died. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Hey, that was his last hook.
Stay right here. Ooh. Come towards middle. Come towards middle.
Bro, you better be careful. You got a gun.
Come towards middle. That's all you gotta do.
Red,
Wait, everybody else dead?
Winner, folks.
Yes, bro.
What the fuck? I don't give a fuck about it. Burps and twerps.
Burps and twerps.
There we go.
There we go.
Why I gotta be obsession though? See, that lets me know that the killer's nearby me. So you know what?
I'm paranoid.
No time to be paranoid, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
I don't really like this man.
If that scares the fuck out of me, I'm gonna let him kill me.
But what you think I did last game?
Y'all-
I ain't gonna lie to you, fool. It's one killer that it better not be, and if it's really that killer, I'm not cheerful.
Who you thinking about? I'm thinking about Michael last.
Michael, Sean, I'm thinking Freddy, bro.
Well, it ain't Freddy. Cause we ain't got the timer thing. Killer's around in my area, but I haven't seen him yet. I don't even think he's moving.
Hey,
He's not.
good for us.
It's the Legion. I'm like looking at just standing right there with his little knife. Is that a butter knife?
Fuck.
That's a butter knife. No.
I blinked and the generator up.
That's not a butter knife. That's one of them battle knives.
Butterfly knife?
Battle knife.
Ballistic knife.
And Call of Duty.
Son of a bitch, I ain't gonna stop blinking.
Rick.
Hey,
You're so lucky that this killer is AFK.
Hey, AFK, I keep fucking up as much as I want to tell you that.
Oh, killer moving now! Killer moving!
Xenophobia, no.
Oh, dude. Hey, Floyd got that meme saved. He got both of them saved. He need the Yamcha one right now. Give us the Yamcha one. Oh, wow. Bro, I hate Legion so much.
This bitch moaning loud as hell. What's up, bitch?
Kill me then, motherfucker. Are you talking about Black Ops 2? We can most definitely get that shit busted. You talking about them bots? Put them motherfuckers on veteran. Oh, this nigga trying to go crazy with them zombies.
Hey, that's a fat ass New York rat.
What about New York?
Fat ass rat. Yeah. What? Oh.
Go,
Nigga said,
bro,
damn,
go.
what happened to being brothers?
Dang, look at Floyd being a hero.
I can't do that. Is he? Okay, he ain't killed. He ain't killed. Come on, man. Oh, careful.
No!
Come on, you gotta escape, brother. You gotta escape, brother.
Look at Floyd being a hero.